This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murac and Christopher .davall. Amazing opportunity in this 3-bedroom and 3-bath residence in the waterfront community of Aventura One. Residence features a bright and open modern floor plan, large chef's kitchen and stunning water views from your generous covered balcony. Amenities include Yacht Club and Spa, pool and jacuzzi, as well as clubhouse with bistro. Enjoy living at its best. Be sure to view video as it offers interior walkthrough and aerial videos of views, building and surrounding area. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murac and Christopher .davall at 954-296-7700.